What's up, guys? It's March 13th, 2024. Do a breakdown of the Emini. Talk about the first 6 bars of the day, leg 1, leg 2, where we are in the market cycle. Pretty interesting day for the market cycle perspective. Kind of super bad day for stop entries. I didn't trade today, but I hope you guys didn't get slammed. I know today's a day where I could see myself losing a lot of money. So yeah, let's get into it. I was just checking out the highs and lows. Up top, so it looks like it's going to be an inside day. Pulling back to the EMA. I remember on previous weeks when we touched the EMA, we would go trend for a couple of days. Maybe we're in this phase, or maybe we're going to turn around. Kind of looks like it just zoomed out. Kind of already looks like a lower high double top or something. Lower high double top. Yeah, that was right. Yeah, lower high double top. We even got kind of like a double top here. Kind of a head and shoulders getting put in. I don't want to talk like I'm bearish, so let's just because of just for the conversation now. Let's see the bull side. We're in a bull channel here. So I don't want to put a reversal idea into anyone's head, even if that is what is happening. There's always two sides to every trade. So the market's been in a bull regime for quite some time now. We're in a bull channel. Kind of trading at the highs. We're in the middle, actually. This would be the high of the channel. Something like that. So we're in the middle. Maybe we visit the highs. Break out of yesterday's range. So yeah, there's two sides to every trade. I just said that literally because I didn't want to sound too bearish. Now that I'm defending, never mind. Alright, so big gap up. No continuation with bar 1. Remember, gap ups are just big bars. So this is a big bull bar. No continuation, bar 1. Bar 2 is a sharp reversal. Already closing the gap. Bar 3 looks like a sharp trend line break, a fractal trend line break, and bears go for a breakout under the EMA. They try and get the breakout. They tag yesterday's. Oh my gosh. I'm talking about the wrong day. Oh my god. Here we go. Restart. I was like, wait a minute. This sounds... okay. Here we go. Wait, this is the right day, right? Am I tripping? Okay. Bar 1 is a bear bar. Bar 2, follow through. It's a range bar, so it could be seen as a pullback. Bar 3 is a breakout, leg 1, leg 2. And the market has a bear channel that has no continuation. 4 bear bars, but look at the wicks. A lot of buying pressure. I'm guessing this bar 64, is acting as support for bar 7. It becomes a failed breakout. 3 pushes down. 1, 2, and 3. That's a form of a wedge. Bulls get their 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Into above the EMA, into the low of bar 1, kind of like resistance. That actually does act as resistance for half the day. So yeah, let's just draw a line right there. That's kind of the open. It's a range day, so the open can be a magnet. So 3 pushes up into the open, or is this the open? Wedge top, sells off for 2 legs down. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Fractal. We're at support, and it goes up again, touching highs. This is a limit order market, so if you bought here, you have to be quick to scalp out or hold through a pullback for... Now, how many points was today's range? 16. Well, wait. I didn't. Well, hold on. It was a 16-point range for almost half the day, or for like 4 hours. So now let's see with the bar 72. Okay, so about almost 28 points. Oh, so it's 16 plus 16 is 32. So hold on. Wait, how the hell does that work? Oh, yeah. Let's see. This wick met. Oh, that's... Okay, so yeah, it'd be better to do the bodies. Range, breakout, body was met in 1 candle. You have to be quick on that if you're short. Where are we? Counting legs here. So here's another 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. That's a form of a wedge. It's just really a double bottom. And double bottom here, high or low. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, pull back leg 5. 2 bar reversal. above the open, or above the above bar one's low. What did I just say? Bar one's low. Yeah. Sometimes I'm like, what am I even talking about? I'm like, no, that doesn't make sense. Bar one's low. The resistance is bar one's low. Sellers. Pull back. Okay, I lost my train of thought. So yeah, counting legs, 5 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. The more legs we get, the like 3, 4s, and 5s could be better fades, especially on range days. So if you started to short here, you would make money here. And you could say you could buy this, or you would buy this and then scalp out. It's tough. Today's a really tough day if you're a stop order trader. Bars are getting climactic. By the time you're ready to buy it, the move's halfway done. And then market starts to consolidate even in a tighter range. This is a tight trading range. Albergs tells us not to trade in there. And they get their few legs lower. You can say the leg starts here, or maybe the market cycle leg count restarts here. Maybe the leg count, not market. I've had a long day. I'm doing this late at night. I apologize for all the little hoo-ha's. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3 becomes climactic. It looks like it's a test of maybe the EMA and it overshoots, or it's going for yesterday's 50% level, which would be this faint orange line. It was a tough day, honestly. There's a lot of back and forth. Every bar has overlap. It's so much overlap. It's just like fading. It's the anti-breakout day. Like, fade the bear bars, fade the bull bar, fade. You have to wait for the third leg. This is a type of range, and it breaks out, and it also gets its own 3 legs here. Ultimately sells off. Leg 1, leg 2s are a little bit tricky today because in reality it just doesn't work today. It does work. Okay, so I said that wrong. It does work, but you've got to be fast. Look, so here's your leg 1, leg 2 for the. It does work because the market moves in 2s. I'm just saying it's going to be fast. I know I would hold on here and I would get trapped here, That's what I just meant by that. Leg 1s and leg 2s happen all the time because it's part of the market cycle. So here's your leg 1, leg 2, or you can count opposite bars. And then you can also just do it from a range perspective. So here to here. Maybe you have to hit out here, or your stops here, so you can add more. Then that's met there. This is also the high of the range. You could try and buy this breakout, but the wicks selling pressure at the high of the day, which is the open. So the bulls were trying to get back to the open and above, and they wanted the breakout and go for the measured move. Ultimately, it failed. 3 pushes, and then the bears get their measured move down. That would be the money maker for today. Hopefully, I hope some of you caught that. That's grueling to catch after all this, Maybe, I know if I caught this would be a trade that I use to make money back. It wouldn't be like, I wouldn't be in profits. Maybe, nah, I would get shredded here. Today was a hard day. I hope you guys did all right. Where were we at? 8 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna speed it up because I want to keep these around 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is just that good sweet spot. Where are we in the market cycle? Totally range bound. This is a range bound day. Yeah, we're range bound. Wait for the market cycle to reset. The market cycle is breakout, channel, range, breakout, and the market is cyclical, so that will continue to happen over and over again. Yesterday we had a breakout, right? So yesterday we had more of a breakout vibe, maybe very deep pullback. So we have a breakout, first pullback. Here, let's talk about the market cycle for 2 days, actually, real quick. I might go over a little 10. So here's the breakout. First bar initiates the pullback. So excuse me, I said that wrong. Breakout, pullback, first pullback initiates the channel phase. And then we channel. What happens after the channel phase? What happens after the channel phase? We go range bound. Oh my gosh, today's video, I'm going to rewatch this and be like, this is so cringy. So we go range bound here. So we go big up, big down, that becomes a range. So now we have the breakout, channel, range, market cycles resetting. Start to break out here. So we break out here, pull back, channel, range. And now we're even from a bigger perspective, breakout, channel, range. So market cycle is kind of starting to reset itself. Maybe we break out of today's range sometime later this week. It'll be interesting to see. It was a pretty tight range. Where are we here? Whew, this is not looking good for the bears now. Really good looking bull bar with no follow through. But there we go. I don't know what the hell just happened. So really bad follow through. Looks like bulls that bought the high yesterday had a chance to get out, break even, and that could create a double top selling pressure. Excuse me. Really bad follow through. So that's not good. Here we see triple top looking like a sell. Let's see the bull's perspective. I've been talking very bearish talk. We're being in a bull channel. This is the 45-minute chart. That's acting as resistance. We're at the high right now. Bulls want the breakout and they keep going higher. Bears want to turn around. Maybe we test the 50% level. Whoa, laser light show. Oh man, I'm tired. It's been a long day. So yeah, so maybe we test the 50% level and bounce, or they get the breakdown. But anyways, I appreciate you guys sticking around for this one. This one was a little more long-winded. Hope you guys are doing good and had a good day today. It was a tough day. Hope you guys had those stops in place at least and scalped out, made a little bit of profit or a lot of profit. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for dropping the comments. Trader Shake, if you're watching this, I saw your thing about the weekly thing. Really quick. It doesn't have. I don't know if I'm being silly right now, but I just looked over it quickly. I'll look over it again after I close this video down. But yeah, I don't know how to change it. Isn't it always going to be extended hours? But I thank you for always dropping comments. I appreciate the support, everyone. Thank you. Guys, have a good one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a good night and good morning and good afternoon and wherever you're at. I hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk to you later. Bye.